Hello people, and today I'm stuck on a fence because Switch Brother refused it. Totally wasn't my fault. I totally didn't forget to click space. No, totally not my fault. Anyways, today we're gonna continue the quest at my least favorite place on Star Stable called Piper 13. So yeah, congratulations Piper 13, you are now on my least favorite place. Very nice accomplishment. Anyways, I was gonna be doing a video today where I was just gonna do the I'll Be There challenge. I don't know how much time I have. I think I've got a few days, but tomorrow I'm gonna try to do that with Rebecca Deersmith. So check out her channel if you have not already done so. It's Rebecca space Deersmith, and yeah, she does some awesome videos, kind of like mine, except for I do more realistic roleplay, and she does kind of more just hanging out and questing and stuff. Oh, I was thinking, geez, did I get cut by a barbed wire or what? But no, it's just because I was too close to a guard. I feel so much just crouching there, but it would take so many years. Oh god, there's more. Oh my god, I forgot. We need to go back here. Stupid cages. I really want to kick them, but I can't because they're in a game. Oh wow, I just was able to see through my head. Oh wait, can I see through the ground? I want to see through the world. That's kind of a nice photo. I didn't know that the clouds moved. Okay, in the real world I didn't know that clouds moved. Don't worry. Oh dang, I need to be careful because of the stupid security cameras. They go red and then they almost they teleport you back. And it'll be very, very sad. Oh my god, and the noise in here is even worse. I get that we're rescuing horses, but geez, I didn't want it to be creepy. Okay, good. I do have the quest. I didn't have to redo all that boring stuff. But Night Dust won't get out of his stall. Yes, I shall do that. I gotta read through these quests because I am... Oh, yay, he's bringing out the other horses, but I need to get Night Dust out of there. Quick, before the guards come. It was nice of Eric to just leave us here, two kids. Night Dust won't get out. He's sitting there. Examine Night Dust. Okay, will do. He looks fine today, to me. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Night Dust, easy there. Someday, if I ever get a Welsh or whatever his breed is on South Hoof, I'm gonna name it Night Dust. Buy a black one and name it Night Dust. Easy, Madison. Oh my god. I thought that he was gonna kick her. Oh my god, that was very, very close to her. Why is he just randomly running around and bucking at nothing? First of all, we're just gonna try to have friends here on camp. So yeah, yesterday I read through my comment. And yeah, hopefully if you have ever written questions, I have answered them. Oh yeah, thanks Madison, thanks for making me. Oh no. Oh god. I didn't see that part. Quit standing there, Helen. Oh god, I really need to take a picture of that. So yeah, luckily we did kind of get a bit of a video of us rescuing the horses. I didn't get it in one video, like, oh, I was kind of, okay, we need to take a picture of this because it is my duty. There we go. Wait, oh dang it. Dang it, nope, okay. It is my duty because, oh my god. Jesus, night dust. He looks too calm in that photo, I feel like, though. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay, that really shows him real. Easy. Okay, do we... Oh, yeah. It's so nice to be up close to a literally green horse. Like, no joke, not even... Oh, his eyes are fixed! I think. Yes! What? What? Ah! Ha! What? I thought I could only ride... Oh my god! What? It's like renting a horse for the day. Oh my, okay. Yeah, good boy, Night Dust. Hold on, Night Dust. Hold on, Madison. Easy. Dang it. Calm down, Night Dust. Okay, yeah, just another picture because we're just riding a demon horse with red eyes. Normal Tuesday, right? Having a nice day? Well, I'm riding a wild horse with green eyes and kicking down things. Yeah, it's a great day for me too. At least we're destroying the lab of somebody else's. If this was like my closet, oh my god, I would. Oh my god. I love how like the horse is totally like almost burning him. Destroying everything, and he still tries to tell him the horse to stop. Okay, he's just gonna give a little back. Oh, it's because he doesn't want me to go too fast, I think. I love how, like, it's like I'm riding Onyx Magic or Wish Brother, and so, like, I'm just patting him calmly. Oh, wow! Oh, great. Now he's gonna put more soon. This is not good. Oh, God. Oh, I don't think so. If you think you're getting past me, you're just a very stupid man. Yeah. What's happening to him? Oh my god. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna record the I'll Be There challenge. Oh, what? Oh, he stabbed himself. It's because he stabbed himself. Come on, Night Dust. You're okay. How do we get up there? Oh, right. The stairs. I'm so silly. Very... Oh, God. Now we're stuck behind a shelf. For some reason, we could, like, go into the shelf, but not out of that? Question mark? Yeah, Night Dust did such a nice job destroying this place. It really looks like there was, like, Jaws inside of here, except for, like, a non-swimming Jaws. Oh, great. Oh, God. I thought that Night Dust had no more bugs. His eyes are still green, though. I don't get this. I can't believe he stabbed himself, and that's how it looks. Oh, what? What? This should be a really fun minigame. Oh, what? Oh, no. Oh, great. I'm sure everyone in the village is just thrilled to see that running around town. Thank you for having that stuck in my head now. Luckily I'm not 3, so I don't have nightmares anymore. Yeah, sure, I'm just gonna be bait. Sure, thank you, Madison. What is wrong with that guy? Oh, I get it. That thing. It's gonna warn us where the objects are landing, and I need to make sure I don't hit any of them. Okay, here goes. Oh, God. Madison. Oh, there it is. There's the checkpoint. Oh, my God. That's headed for us, no matter what. I know it is. Okay. Oh, my God. That... Oh, great. Now I'll be there is stuck in my head. From working on the challenge and stuff. It was too bad because we had some really good stuff. And I remember that stuff, so that's good, but... Oh, wow. I've never ridden a horse in here. It's so hard to navigate your way. And I was saying to myself, geez, I wish that... Oh, I think I just saw somebody. Oh, that's just another player. Stress Table should really add some freaky people just running away. Opening soon? What does that mean? I thought that the ground was on fire there for a second. Like, what? Oh, wait. Ah! Yeah, I've really never ridden a horse in here. I wonder if I can... Wait, I want to check something. I wonder if I can put on a... Oh, yep. Oh, easy, boy. No, easy. Okay, we got this, boy. What is happening? Oh my God, they're trying to trap me. Ah, where's the next checkpoint? Oh my God, Night Dust, I see it. Oh wow, just flying across the world. Another normal Tuesday. Oh great, that was just the ground's on fire. The world is nice. Oh wait, good. Okay, good. I'll have to see you guys next time because I'm so into this quest that I might not even look at the time. Madison, could you just, like, get us out of this city? Finally. Grow Chief Furball. Because that's what you could call him. That should have given me a lot more XP and stuff. We're getting quite close to unlocking place. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye! Bye! Oh